today we have a slightly different episode of Measurement Minutes live here from EMO 2025, where we will be presenting lots of news, including our new LC54 Digilog, which is celebrating its world premiere on this stage today. By the way, it is the smallest of the LC50 family, designed for small tools with a diameter of 5 micrometers or more, and of course, for small working spaces in the machine. And then I would say, let's take a look. We find another highlight here on our exhibition machine, specifically a brand new feature integrated into our LC Vision software interface called Grinding Control. And as the name suggests, it's a function designed to measure grinding tools directly on the machine. And another highlight from EMO 2025, Lothar, could you tell us a bit about what we're presenting here?
Yes, I'd be happy to. What we see here is one way of integrating measuring equipment into clamping systems. Here briefly shown connection options for various sensors such as hydraulic and pneumatic ones to effectively monitor and precisely track the position. And I can demonstrate this briefly by moving the slide here. You can see the change in position here. Here the manufacturer has incorporated sensors and the data transmission is efficiently handled via Blum radio technology. On the other side we see here a different solution also here. Wireless transmission with the clamping device. I'll briefly show you how it works on this touch panel. You can open this here, controlled by the machine, of course. The chuck opens up, allowing the tool to be removed. A new one is placed into the holder and then securely clamped in position. All these are possibilities with Blum radio technology.
That and so much more we'll show you at EMO 2025 if it sparked your curiosity and interest. Feel free to drop by anytime. We'll be here until Friday and I'm also available for a conversation. So feel free to visit us, and by the way, there will also be free cocktails starting at 4 p.m.